Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with a quick video on how to design a pop socket for merch. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So I'm going to design a pop socket over here on Made with Over. And I don't really have anything ready, but I want to do something cozy, like mm, I don't know. Let's go. Let's just go with the background color first, and then see what happens. I'm just gonna click on this. I close my eyes and I get purple. Purple loves me. Um, let's go with this like mauve color. Since it's Mother's Day is coming around, let's see if we can find some roses or something. Let's see. Something fun. I always forget about the pro stuff. So let me put roses and then let me put free. The free roses probably look different than the paid one, child. So see some paint swatches. Let's see what this looks like. And then let's make another one and flip it. Let's do some text. Let's do Rich Mom. It's fine. It's font that we like. Ooh, I like that. So change the color. Maybe we'll try to take the orange out of it, like one of those bright orange colors. There we go. And make that, bring it in a little bit and pull it out. Probably gonna have to bring this in a little bit more. And there you have it, Rich Mom. Let's see if we had anything else that we could add with this. So I always get quiet when I'm designing because I'm thinking, oh, what happened to my Rich Mom? What happened to the words? Okay, there we go. So, some line art. Hmm. Rich Mom. Let's move that to the back. I think it's so cute. So there we just have like this cute little pop socket that says Rich Mom. Super simple and easy. Like I said, Over has really great products and things that you can play around with So I really enjoy using this for like a different approach other than using Canva. They both are amazing. But sometimes you just want to switch it up a little bit, and that's kind of what I did today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial of designing a Amazon merch pop socket in Made with Over. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.